Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this banana, dates and walnut cake. It is a really moist cake and it is one of my personal favorites. You will absolutely love this recipe. The sweetness of banana and dates and crunchiness of walnuts gives this a really nice texture. And I'm also going to show you how to make dates buttercream, which really goes along with this cake. So now, without wasting any time, let's begin with this recipe. So first, take a baking tin. Here I'm gonna take a round tin, brush it with the oil so that the baking paper sticks to the tin. Then line the base and the side with the baking paper. Do it exactly as shown. Something like this. Then I'm also gonna use a square cake tin and line it the same way. Then in a mixing bowl, add 800 grams of fresh bananas. You can also use overripe egg, it's absolutely fine. Then whisk this until bananas are nice and soft. Something like this. Then add 750 grams light brown sugar. Slowly add it to the banana mix. Then whisk it until the sugar is nicely melted or until color changes. Something like this. Make sure it's nice and smooth, something like this. Then add 8 eggs. Slowly add it to the mix, one at a time. Then whisk this for about 2 minutes. Then add 160 grams of condensed milk. Then add 75 grams of buttermilk. Then reduce the speed and add 750 grams of all-purpose flour, but add it slowly, one ladle at a time. Then in the remaining flour add 25 grams of baking soda and mix it nicely. Then add it to the mix. Then add 220 grams of dates chopped. Also add 150 grams of walnut crust and add 400 grams of oil. Then whisk this until it is nice and smooth. Then remove the mix. Then fold in the mix with spatula. Make sure it is mixed properly. Consistency of the batter must be something like this. Then pour the cake mix in the tin. Then bake it at 180 degrees centigrade in preheat oven for about 45 minutes. Now to make the buttercream, add 250 grams unsalted butter, add half cup condensed milk, Then add half cup chopped dates I have used here chocolate flavored dates. Then add half teaspoon vanilla seeds paste and then whisk this until it is nice and smooth. So the cake is cooked now. Use a knife to check it. If it comes out clean, then it's cooked. Then cool the cake completely. Then once cooled down, remove the baking paper. Cake is perfectly cooked even on the side, as you can see. Then cut the sides of the cake. Then simply cover the cake with the delicious buttercream. Then top it up with some crushed walnuts. There you go. So the banana, dates and walnut cake is ready now. So do try this recipe, guys. It is a super delicious recipe. You will absolutely love it. If you like this recipe, then please hit the like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Thanks for watching my recipe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.